Mediterranean courtyard homes, blending nature with luxury in outdoor living spaces. Introduction: the allure of Mediterranean courtyard homes. Mediterranean courtyard homes offer an enchanting blend of architectural elegance and natural beauty. Rooted in centuries-old traditions from countries like Italy, Spain, and Greece, these homes are designed to merge indoor luxury with outdoor serenity, creating living spaces that feel connected to nature. Courtyards at the heart of these homes serve as tranquil retreats, often adorned with lush greenery, flowing water features, and warm stone surfaces. In this video, we'll explore the defining characteristics of Mediterranean courtyard homes, how they balance modern luxury with nature, and how you can bring elements of this iconic style into your own space. Stay tuned for design inspiration, and don't forget to subscribe, like, seamless indoor-outdoor flow. One of the hallmarks of Mediterranean courtyard homes is the effortless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. These homes are designed to create continuity, where large windows, arches, or open doors lead directly from living areas to the courtyard, creating a seamless connection between the two environments. The use of similar materials like terracotta tiles, stucco, or wooden beams both inside and outside enhances this flow, making the transition feel natural and harmonious. Whether it's a casual breakfast in the sun or an evening gathering under the stars, this indoor-outdoor relationship Courtyards as tranquil retreats. At the heart of every Mediterranean home is the courtyard, often regarded as the soul of the design. These courtyards are not just for show, they're active, living spaces designed for relaxation, socialization, and quiet reflection. Whether shaded by pergolas or open to the sky, these courtyards are typically surrounded by lush gardens, vibrant flowers, and water features that offer soothing sounds. The greenery provides a cooling effect, offering refuge from the sun while promoting a sense of tranquility. Mediterranean courtyard. The role of water in Mediterranean courtyards. Water features play a critical role in Mediterranean courtyard homes, serving both aesthetic and practical purposes. Fountains, ponds, or small pools are common fixtures, often located at the center of the courtyard. Beyond their beauty, these water features help regulate temperature by providing natural cooling, especially in warmer climates. The sound of trickling water further enhances the relaxing ambience, bringing a sense of peace and serenity to the space. Historically, water was also seen as a symbol of life and prosperity in Mediterranean. Lush Mediterranean gardens. Mediterranean courtyard gardens are an essential component of the home's overall design. Characterized by olive trees, lavender, bougainvillea, and cypress, these gardens are designed to thrive in the region's warm, dry climate. The plants used in these gardens are not only visually stunning but also low maintenance and drought resistant, making them ideal for sustainable landscaping. The careful arrangement of these plants around the courtyard provides shade, privacy, and beauty, turning the outdoor space into a lush, serene oasis that complements the home's architecture. Elegant materials and finishes. Mediterranean courtyard homes are renowned for their use of natural materials that exude both elegance and warmth. Stone, terracotta, and wood are commonly used throughout the home, from floors to walls to outdoor pathways. These materials not only add texture and character but also have practical benefits, such as keeping the home cool during the hot summer months. Stucco walls, exposed beams, and wrought iron details are often incorporated to give the home a timeless appeal. The careful selection of materials ties the home to its natural surroundings, reinforcing luxury meets sustainability. While Mediterranean courtyard homes are synonymous with luxury, they are also deeply rooted in sustainable design practices. The region's architecture has long focused on harnessing natural elements to create comfortable, eco-friendly living spaces. Courtyards provide natural ventilation, cooling the home without the need for air conditioning, while thick stone walls insulate against heat. The use of native plants in the courtyard gardens reduces water consumption, while the orientation of the home takes advantage of natural light to reduce energy usage. Modern Mediterranean homes continue this tradition, blending opulence Furnishing the Mediterranean courtyard. The furnishings used in Mediterranean courtyards reflect the region's relaxed yet refined aesthetic. Outdoor furniture is typically crafted from natural materials such as wood, wicker, or wrought iron, often adorned with plush cushions in earthy tones or bright, vibrant colors. These furnishings are designed for comfort and durability, allowing homeowners to enjoy their outdoor spaces year-round. A mix of contemporary and traditional elements, such as wooden benches paired with sleek, minimalist tables, creates a space creating a social space for entertaining. Mediterranean courtyard homes are designed for socializing, and the courtyard serves as the ideal space for entertaining guests. Whether hosting an intimate dinner party or a casual gathering with friends, the courtyard offers a versatile, inviting space. Outdoor kitchens, pizza ovens, and large dining tables are common features, making it easy to prepare and enjoy meals al fresco. The courtyard's design ensures privacy and comfort, while the natural beauty of the surroundings adds a touch of elegance to any event. With the right layout and Conclusion: embrace the Mediterranean courtyard lifestyle. Mediterranean courtyard homes represent the perfect balance between luxury and nature, offering a lifestyle that embraces outdoor living and sustainability. These homes are more than just architectural masterpieces, they are spaces designed to foster a connection with the natural world while providing comfort and elegance. Whether you're dreaming of creating your own Mediterranean-inspired retreat or simply looking for design inspiration, incorporating elements like lush gardens, water features, and natural materials can transform any space into